This is Secret Influence TV's 8 social media influence hacks. Top tips on how to influence more on social media, grow your community, grow your following, grow your tribe. So Secret Influence TV shares regular tips on how to be a better influencer. Click subscribe now to follow this channel and be notified of upcoming videos. If you are in business, whatever you do in life, you need to better influence your audience. Get them to listen, get them to engage, buy a product service, become fans of your brand. You need to be able to have impact and influence in everything you do. So, what we're talking about, be clear who your audience is, choose the right channels, have an action plan, engage and interact, give value, give clear calls to action, create a community or tribe, and build a consistent brand. First one, be clear your audiences. You should know in business, you never appeal to everyone. You never have a generalized approach. Be as niche as you can, be as specific as you can, be focused. Know exactly who your audience is, and social media is no different. Who are you trying to appeal to? Who are they? Then where do they hang out? So there's thousands of social media channels, and you need to be hanging out on the ones where your audience hang out. Don't waste your time trying to be on all of them. Don't waste your time being the wrong ones. Choose the right channels. 3, have an action plan. You need an action plan in business to guide you and support you. Review it regularly, and with social media, that action plan has also got to have a scheduling plan. What content you're going to share when, what types of content. You need to know exactly what content you're going to share every day. Engage and interact. Social media is called social media for a reason. It's all about engagement, interaction, two-way process. Not just about pumping out information. It's about listening and responding. It's about encouraging. It's about messaging people and commenting on their comments. You want to build up the engagement, and that is done partly through giving value. So give value in everything you do. Don't just take. Give me a given or taker on social media. So have a little ladder, value ladder. What content can you give that have value? Can you build on that? Is it top tips? Is it links to articles or videos? If you give the right information, it can position you as an authority, an expert, and people always respect and go to the experts. Give clear calls to action. You want people not just to engage and go to you for your quality of your post, but you also want to do what you want them to do. You eventually want to buy a product or service. You want to go up that ladder, down that funnel. So tell them, if you enjoyed this post, click here to watch a video. If you enjoyed this, I've got a webinar coming up. Tell them what you want to do. Create a community or tribe. That's what it's all about. Big brands spend a fortune trying to do this, and this is what social media is very good at. Get all the people who are interested in your content, who are interested in product service, get them together in one community, one group on social media, and build it. This is your tribe. These are going to be ambassadors. These people are going to keep buying your product service, telling people how great you are. These are your tribe. Build a consistent brand. So everything you do on all your channels should have consistency of tone of voice, consistency of identity. And you need to be consistent in your brand story. Tell people not just what you do, but why you do it. What are you passionate about? Why do you start this business? And your brand story should go for everything you do. Click subscribe now if you like this video. And if you want to hear more top tips on engagement, influence, how to be better influencer, subscribe now to YouTube, to Secret Influence TV, and good luck in your social media influencing.